Hey guys! Happy Saturday! Gabi na naman yung video ko. Kakababad sa YouTube. But yes, it's a weekend, but we have to prepare for Monday. There you go. So for those people who are watching this for the very first time, ako po si Miss JD. I do review stocks for the purpose of studying. And I am inviting you to join me as I do this daily rigor so that we can upskill ourselves and soon we develop that, um, of course, advanced skill in the world of stock market. Kung trader ka man, kung investor ka man, we are not born experts right away. Kaya we really have to do our assignment, which is to study. So, welcome po sa channel na to. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And also, you're very welcome to make your request. All right, so let's start with, hold on. Let us start with the index. So, sa index, we have, well, we had selling, right? We had selling last Friday, and we're actually still sitting at the resistance, no? Pero given the volume, we were already moving up, and then my volume supported by volume. Even though my foreign selling, it doesn't mean na hindi siya aakyat. Okay, there could be fluctuations. It's a consolidated performance of the other stocks in the blue chip, also blue chip companies ang nagre-represent sa index. So some stocks may profit taking na nangyari, but overall we're still bullish. Personally, I'm bullish. My outlook is bullish on this performance. Pwede tayo'y aakyat pa lang. Paakyat pa lang siya. So, really looking forward for more actions to the upside. Marami pa. Okay? Pag umabot siya dyan, mga 7,000 level, expect that a lot of these blue chip companies nag-accelerate na rin. So, when is the perfect time to start looking into these blue chip companies? Ito po ngayon. Ito ang time na yon. Kasi maraming blue chip companies ang nasa discounted level. Even better nung mga time na 5,800 level siya, no, 'di ba? So definitely maraming mas mura. But I'm telling you, hindi pa tapos yung bearish ng ibang stocks lalo na sa telco. Ah, TEL, Globe, napakamura pa niya ngayon. So, let's try to deep dive in terms of technicals, no? Kasi I try my best to really follow the news and check out the fundamentals, but my area of where I'm really comfortable doing is in the technical analysis. So let us go ahead and hold on gusto ko buksan yung yung mga request sa atin. Just one moment. Ay, sorry. I need to go to my comments section para makita. Well, we have sabi ni Annie Arellano, thank you, Miss JD. Theom said, thanks, Miss JD. Pwede please share ng good re-entry for APX and Converge. So, titingnan natin si APX, no? Uh, Theom, I'm not sure. Or DOM. Siguro DOM yan. Alright. So, kung ikaw ay trader, I would have to say, mahal na to. Pabalik na siya, okay? Dapat nagpa-profit take ka na nito, ha? And in case magbalik siya, there are different ways to look at it. Pero kailangan pag babantayan mo siya kung ginamit mo ang Fibonacci retracement dito. Dito yung mga areas niya. Okay? First possible stop would be 2.88. Pag na-break niya yan, ang susunod niyang iti-test ay 0.382. Itong dalawang area lang ang titignan mo. Pero again, this is in the assumption that you want to do a bounce play. But at the moment, magre-retrace muna to. Mga tao profitable na eh. So babalikan niya ang majority of the sentiment magpa-profit take, so bababa yung presyo, and hahanap yan where it will slow down. Pag nag-slow down yan, you would also notice it eh. Kasi habang bumababa ka, yung itong volume na to bumababa. So I'll give you one example. Ito bumababa siya, 'di ba? Habang bumababa, bumababa na rin ang volume. Ibig sabihin na exhaust na yung selling sentiment. Lahat ng gustong lumabas, lumabas na. So, kumukonti ng kumukonti ang lumalabas. And then, right that very moment, nag-green siya, engulfing candlestick, that's one. Number two, it was paired with a good volume. Pag may good volume ka at sunod-sunod yung umaakyat yung volume habang umaakyat siya, that means it's supported by, significant number of investors or people supporting the buying sentiment or bullish sila. So in that case, tumutuloy-tuloy siya. Okay. Now, in this scenario, bumaba siya, medyo mataas pa rin yung volume ng pag-sell, selling volume that is. So, big sabihin, may continuation siya. Tsaka solid pa yung pagbaba niya, di ba? Wala ngang wick sa baba. That means, natapos yung day na puro profit take. Now, titingnan natin kung itatouch niya yung 2.88. You would also know that. So I would say mga mid position traders, bounce players, yung mga median, yung mga position, yeah, swing traders. Sila yung mga nakikita ditong they still find it attractive. But for investors, I would assume that you have already made your positions here, 'di ba? Kasi for those people who are still interested at this level, nag-a-add na lang yan, the regular rigor nila na nag-a-add ng investment regardless of the price. So, pang long-term wise, pwede pa rin ito pasukin kasi pang long-term ka naman. You don't really mind sang part yan kasi you don't need the money at the moment. So if you feel that this is a stock that has good fundamentals, which so far looking at just straightforward revenue, makikita mo may 408 at 408%, 3.3 billion yung net income nila. So does that influence your decision in terms of fundamentals? So go for it. Pero for position traders, bounce players, these people, abangan nila muna yan. And normally, they will use this. Itong Fibonacci retracement. And then, kung hindi naman, they would just go for MAs, moving average ang gagamitin nila. Pero sa akin, Bollinger Band ang ginamit ko. Right off the bat, kita mo agad sa MA20 line, may bounce ka dyan. But in the Fibonacci retracement, makikita mo, may isang layer pa na pwede niyang i-bouncean. Right? So that's for APX. Converge. Matindi rin yung bagsak ni Converge eh. Uy! Good to ah. Engulfing siya, right? Engulfing candlestick. So, there's a big possibility na, ayan o, support pala to eh. May support siya sa area ng 1105. So, if hindi pa siya totally tuloy-tuloy, for those people na still hindi pa nakapasok, observe nyo baka mag-sideways muna dito bago siya mag-move up. I-build niya muna yung volume na to. Although, in the short term, kumaga third day na to na mataas yung volume. So, na-exhaust niya na yung selling sentiment dito. Tapos, unti-unti na pumapasok. Unti-unti na pumapasok ang mga investors. And then, perfect yung green na yan last Friday. Kasi baka lang, kung mag-continue siya or mag-sideways man siya, pag nag-sideways siya at ang volume packet na rin, then that means there's a big chance na we are about to face a possible change in direction at the area of 11 pesos. So next is coming from Kath G. Love how you review TA of these stocks in a way we can understand and making me realize TA is not rocket science after all. Ayun. So, yep. I told her, I replied to her, thank you po for appreciating. Every day is a learning journey for all of us. Stock market is a very interesting subject. We never run out of scenarios and it never ceases to surprise us with new aha moments. So that was my reply. Ito, si Kenneth Ang. Si Kenneth, always present yan. Thanks, Kenneth. I hope you don't get tired of listening to my voice and, listening to my insights. I hope I add value to your journey. Okay, he said here, I think telcos are challenged by SIM card registration. We don't know what will happen to them if they cannot get everyone to register their SIM. My thoughts, not much of an impact. Sa consumer ang inconvenience if they don't register. Either way, which is true, kukuha lang naman ng mga prepaid holders ng bagong SIM pag napaso na yung old nila, di ba? Mga postpaid holders, which in my case, parang may notification lang ako natanggap from my provider and then yun, registered na. They did it for us. Happy for Tel's performance yesterday. Hope this is it. I left Converge and MEG. Si Kenneth pa rin to. Lumipat siya sa Ali. Tingnan natin si Ali, guys, ha? Okay, si Ali, I don't know saan na area nakapasok. Pero nagre-retrace siya. Ganda ng volume. I mean, no, foreign buying. And, ito mo, if you are to look at it, at a glance kita mapabagsak to. And then, nakakross na tayo ng MA20. So, baka, definitely, I see this as just a short-term retracement. So those people who may have entered right here na range trading lang or yan, na range trading lang yung laro, edi nag-profit take lang naman sila. And then for sure, remove ko muna yung drawing. For sure, gamitan ko nga ito ng Fibonacci. Kung ito ang na ano natin, at dyan siya kunwari. Abo, in fairness. We'll see. Kasi ito ang ginamit ko. Dito, from here to here. Kasi ito yung highest point niya. Yan. Para accurate. From here to here. Yan. Ginamit ko hanggang week eh. Here to here. Di bounce siya. Pwede ha. Pwede. Pero kung bubutasin pa niya to, dadaan mo na siya ng 27.8 versus 27.45. So pag hindi pa nakapasok at mag-fluctuate pa siya, giving you, opportunity to enter at a lower level, go na yan. But at the area where it is at right now, sobrang bonus na yan. Ito yung mga sinasabi ko na mga good companies, alam mo yun, good companies, nothing's wrong with them, pero ang mumura nila, it's because of the market sentiment. So this is it's very rare to have an opportunity like this. For those people who may have started their journey from 10 years ago, 11 years ago, the prices of the stocks right now, they're revisiting the price levels from 10, 11 years ago. So para ka lang din, it's not too late. It's just that probably, syempre, dividend nila, every year, every quarter ba to? Parang quarterly yata nagbibigay si Ali sa kanila. So, one of the stocks that really worth looking into for long term, yung mga retirement stocks na tinatawag. Tingnan natin si Meg din. Si Meg, actually si Meg napakamura niya. Positive naman. Okay. Yun, kasi hindi siya masyado stable, no? Alright. Pero definitely, very, very cheap level siya. And we're sitting at the MA20. So, abangan natin kung respect niya talaga itong MA20 at mag-bounce. Wala kasi volume, oh. Posibleng, posible din siya mag-fall under the category of people already exhausting the selling sentiment. So, wala na masyadong nagbebenta. Hintayin na lang natin yung spike in the volume. Spike in the volume tapos green candlestick. Kasi baka yun na ang trigger na magre-reverse na siya. Pero sobrang mura talaga, oh. Okay, so let's go to the next comment. C. Jedi Farinas, SCC, DMC, LTG, CREIT, TEL, MBT, CHIB. Okay, sige. Si SCC hawak ko din to eh. In fairness, si SCC already approaching, we've bounced for those people who may have entered 27. Pag big volume ka, significant na yung amount na makikita mo na gain mo at the price where we are at right now. So that's already like 5-6%. Pero in the short term, since we're still moving below the MA20 line, posible pa yang mag-pullback pag may mga, mga anik-anik na naman mga negative sa lipunan or kung ano mga bali-balita. Pwede ba yan na apektuhan? So, pag nag-pullback yan, worst case scenario, babalikan lang naman niya yung MA20, no, yung kanyang support at the 26.90 kasi ito po ay isang resistance. But ideally, pag gusto nating makita dito is tumawid siya ng MA20 para at least we are more confident na magtutuloy siya packet. Okay, for now, I'm just plotting 26.90. So if for those people who are looking at SCC kasi ang ganda magpa-dividend nitong SCC talaga ang taas ng yield. So this is the opportunity to, accumulate. Every time it drops, accumulate ka lang. Up to the amount you're comfortable na nakatutulog lang dyan. But the good thing is, habang natutulog siya, you're also compensated. So, nothing to worry. DMC, which is the mother company of SCC, almost the same story. Nag-gap down pag X date. Pero like what I've mentioned in my previous video, huwag mong pansinin ang pag-drop ng price during X date because eventually pag accelerate na yung presyo at nandiyan ka pa at your average let's say is around the 10 peso level, balang araw pag ang presyo nasa 29, hindi mo napansin yung mga gap down na yan kasi nag-appreciate siya eh. Alright? If the overall trend, look at this. Dati dito siya. Ang tagal nga niyang nakaupo sa 1 peso level eh. Right? 2008, 2009, tapos unti-unti na siyang ganyan. On a monthly view, di ba? Medyo mataas siya pero someday hindi natin alam. Paano kung naging 50 yan, 40 pesos someday, and ang yield niya at the price right now, o di ba? Tapos nag-aakyat din yung presyo nito eh, 0.94, 1.97. Di ba? Parehas din sila ni SCC, mataas magpa-dividend. LTG, ang gaganda ng mga, in fairness ang gaganda ng mga pinili mo, mga dividend stocks talaga ito. LTG also another good company that gives out good dividend. Last year, more than 10 or 13% yata yung yield nila eh. Kita mo ang continuous din yung pag-akyat niya. Nag-slight pullback tayo. But then again, chances are pag na-break niya itong 1050, gagawa naman yan ng bago niyang resistance, which is probably around the 1118 area, right? Meron ka pa dito, pero titingnan natin. For now, I'm putting it at 11. Overall, we're still moving above the MA20 line. So, that is good. Pag ang movement mo above the 20 line, MA20 line, yung mga retracement niya, dyan normally naglaland at nagbabounce. So, in this case, where we have bounced on a weekly chart, we've bounced at the MA20. Posibleng gagawa yan ng kanyang higher high at higher low. Kasi tingnan mo, yan, di ba? Pag nag-increase siya, pagbagsak niya, mas mataas na kumpara dito. Pag increase niya ulit, mas mataas kumpara dito. So, uptrend siya ngayon yan. So, these are the key levels. Tandaan niyo guys, 1050 at 1119. First area of resistance siya. Pag na-break niya, ito, dadaanan niya 1119. Okay, so far, still bullish on LTG. But hopefully, naka-bodega ka sa mas mababa. CREIT, another REIT company na sobrang, ay sorry, consistent magbigay. Okay? Consistent magbigay ng kanyang dividend. On a weekly chart, ang laki na ng inakyat, oh. Sana pasok kayo sa mas mababang presyo. So far right now, ito na. It's already consolidating here at the sana ma-break niya itong 2.54. But for those people na hindi pa nakapasok, kung balikan niya yung 241, grab niyo na yan guys. Kasi unique itong klase ng REIT because it focuses on energy farming, solar energy, and that will be the ultimate direction of the future in terms of energy. We have abundance here in abundant supply in the Philippines kasi tropical country tayo. So, yeah, uh, just bodega ka lang. This is still okay kahit medyo nagtaas na siya dyan. You can never tell, if the earnings are really good naman. O, tingnan nyo. Consistently high. Someday, pag na-break niya tong all-time high niya, pwedeng, you know, time, time will just tell kung saan ang gusto niya abutin. But definitely, andito tayo. Remember yung mga Bitcoin days na akala mo 8,000, 9,000, mahal in the short term. Bull run siya. Pero yun pala, binrake pa niya yung levels na yun. Sayang, I was also trading Bitcoin in the past. Nakakapasok pa nga ako ng 4,000, 6,000 level. Pero yung little gains, nakakala mo, okay na to, nag-gain ako. Pero yun pala, barya lang siya. That if I was able to hold on to these, mas malaki pa sana yung value. Same with my experience in SCC. Average ng 9, binenta ng 13 ngayon, nasaan na siya? 28, 29. So, there's also a beauty. I'm starting to shift actually. Mas gusto ko pang maupo na lang, accumulate. Kasi we don't really have, that's the beauty of the stock market. Hindi kailangan na may gawin ka every day. Hindi kailangan. Ito ang pag-aaral natin nga to. Ako personally, it's just me identifying timings ng kung kailan ako babasok at sino pang papasukin ko. Because most of the stocks I'm in right now, I'm just accumulating, and I'm so attracted to stocks na dividend paying stocks. Okay, so CTEL also still on a downtrend. Nag nag-touch ng MA20 line niya, pero nag-red. Tama, so I'm thinking in the short term, gagawin pa niya yan ng resistance. Babalikan yung 1,196, anywhere between 1,196 and 1,256. Guys, sobrang mura na yan. You can go ahead and start accumulating here. Test buys kung gusto mo tawagin na test buy yan. Pero that's an area, buy levels na to. Nothing's wrong with the company, I know. Diba? Bakit lang ito? 59%. Ano nangyari dito? 2022? Down sa net income nila. Pero still in the billions. For those people who know anything else about TEL, pero I doubt, wala, kwan lang yan, market sentiment lang yan. Nothing's wrong with the stock. Not unless, kasi dumadami na talaga yung competition, no? The next one is MBT, banking sector. Si MBT, remove ko yung drawing ko na yan. Okay, MBT, okay. May malapit tayong resistance for MBT. Ayan po siya, kasi ito. So, but still triggering pa naman the upper Bollinger Band. Baka may continuation yan. And hopefully, break niya tong 62 at magtuloy-tuloy na. Grabe ang bagsak na ito. And now, slowly. Oh, nag 100% gain na siya dyan from coming from a 30s level to here. So, tingnan natin kung itutuloy pa niya. May 96 ka pa pala dyan. So, we're just, halfway. So, that's my take on MBT. And CHIB, banking. By the way, ang MBT, nagbibigay din ng dividend. Okay, mataas na si CHIB. Feeling ko magre-retrace pa to. Kasi dito tayo sa below the MA20. Okay, let the sellers take profit muna. 2.8 ang ganda ng kanya. May 2. May 2 nag-X-date. Ito na naman nung X-date na to, no? Ayan, sinabi ko na nga ba. So, testing lang natin. Tingnan natin to kung ma-break niya yung MA20 line. Pero mukhang naggawa kasi siya ng support, no? Third day. So, basta careful lang kayo dito. Pag nag-resist siya dyan sa MA20 line, baka bumagsak. Pero look at this. Mukhang nagsa-start na kasi accumulate. Oh. May buying na eh. Oh. 32.14 ang nakikita kong support and very near that is the resistance, short-term resistance. Pero overall, mas nakikita kong babalik siya eh. May foreign buying ka dito, may volume ka dito, hindi naman siya overbought. Saktuhan lang siya. So, even if this is already a bit high, pwedeng tuloy-tuloy pa. Sana talaga. But for those who are, my take here, pang investor level to ha. Kasi mataas to for for, position traders. Oo, pang investor level to. Unless na kaya nyo magbantay ng market whole day, so mga slight um, uh, pump intraday, pwede kayong maglabas-pasok. Ayan, sige. I think yun lang muna. Thank you very much for watching. It has been 27 minutes since I started. But guys, I'm looking forward to your feedback. Ulanan nyo ako ng feedback. I would love to read all of those. Let me know your thoughts. And feel free to make suggestions kung may mga other format kayong mas gusto. Share your ideas to me. I would love to know and baka kaya natin gawin. Ayan, sige. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.